Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install AB Download Manager extension in Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser and head over to chromewebstore.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the Chrome Web Store interface where you can browse and add various extensions to enhance your browser's functionality. Now, look at the top of the page where you'll find the search bar. Click on it and type AB Download Manager, then press enter. This will bring up all the relevant extensions related to your search query, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. From the search results that appear, click on AB Download Manager. This will take you to the extension's dedicated page where you can learn more about its features and see user reviews. It's the official page for this particular download manager, so you'll get all the details you need before installing. Once you're on the AB Download Manager page, look over to the right side of the screen where you'll see a button that says Add to Brave. Click on it to begin the installation process. This button initiates the download and prepares the extension to be integrated into your browser. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Click Add Extension to proceed. This step is important because it gives you one final chance to review the permissions the extension needs before it's installed on your browser. Once you click it, Brave will automatically install AB Download Manager and make it ready to use. After the installation completes, you'll notice the extension button in the right panel of your browser. Click on it to open AB Download Manager and start using it right away. This button gives you quick access to the extension's features, allowing you to manage your downloads more efficiently whenever you need to. And that's it. You've successfully installed AB Download Manager in your Brave browser, and it's now ready to help you handle your downloads. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.